Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant pays rich tributes to Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on his Mahaparinirvan Divas. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant wins the prestigious Green Tech Award 2021 for environment protection. And in our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav series, today's personality is Bama Charan Mitra. Now the news in detail. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant paid rich tributes to Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on his Mahaparinirvan Divas on 6th December 2021. In a program organized at the Ambedkar Enclave Sector 17 Chowk, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED P&A RSP, along with Mr. A.K. Nayak, CGM TA and CSR, Mr. P.K. Das, GM in charge Town Services, Mr. B.K. Raut, GM P, H and SW, and other senior officers of the steel plant offered flowers at the statue of the legendary statesman fondly remembered as Baba Saheb. Mr. S.C. Paricha, Vice President, SAIL SC and ST Employees Federation, RSP, Mr. Bhagaban Sethi, President, SAIL SC and ST Employees Federation, RSP, and other office bearers of the Federation, office bearers and members of Sarva Samanmaya Sangha were also present on the occasion to pay tribute to the great leader and maker of Indian Constitution. Remembering the immeasurable contributions of Dr. Ambedkar to the country, Mr. Satpathy said, "We remain indebted to the great leader for the significant role he played in nation building and achieving social harmony and social justice." Mr. A.K. Nayak in his address highlighted the vision and philosophies of Baba Saheb and urged all to imbibe his teachings and to create the society of his dreams. Mr. S.C. Paricha anchored the program while Mr. Bhagaban Sethi proposed a formal vote of thanks. Mr. Bivabasu Malik, DGM Town Services and Liaison Officer for SC, ST, PWD and EWS coordinated the entire program. It is noteworthy that the nation is observing Mahaparinirvan Divas on the death anniversary of Dr. Ambedkar as part of the major commemoration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. A program was also organized at Ispat Vidya Mandir of RSP to mark the day. Mr. P.K. Das presided over the session. Professor S.P. Tripathi, former principal, Ispat Autonomous College, was the keynote speaker on the occasion and delivered an eloquent talk on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his contributions. The dignitaries presented awards to students who won in competitions organized earlier to commemorate the day. The theme of the competitions were Idea of Nation Building. Mr. K. Nayak, AGM Education, coordinated the function. Notably, RSP is organizing several other events to mark the occasion, including an essay writing competition for employees. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has won the prestigious Green Tech Environment Award 2021 for outstanding achievements in environment protection. The award was presented to the leading steel producer of the region at the annual Green Tech Award function held in Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu on 26 November 2021. Mr. R.K. Patra, CGM SMS1 and Mr. P.C. Das, GM in charge EMD, RSP, received the award on behalf of the plant from Mr. Rajiv Bhadoria, Managing Partner, Ebullient, Co-founder, MyTransform.com, and Mr. K. Sharan, Chairman and CEO, Green Tech Foundation. In a function organized at Manthan Conference Hall on 6th December, Mr. Amarendu Prakash, DIC Bokaro Steel Plant and Rourkela Steel Plant congratulated the RSP collective for winning the prestigious award and encouraged all to make the operations of the steel plant even more eco-friendly and in tune with the national and international guidelines. The coveted award has been presented to RSP in recognition of its remarkable performance in environment management. Notably, the steel plant in its illustrious journey of more than 6 decades has been nurturing environment in tandem with contributing its bit to nation building with the might of steel. As a responsible corporate, RSP has taken effective steps to minimize pollution, enhance recycling of wastes, and adoption of cleaner technologies to achieve a sustainable way of manufacturing steel and living in harmony with nature as well. From adoption of environment-friendly, latest state-of-the-art technologies in the production chain to effective use of 4R with reduce, reuse, recycle and recover for conservation of energy and natural resources, RSP has been adopting a multi-pronged approach for the effective protection of environment. RSP has installed various air pollution control equipments with electrostatic precipitators, bag houses, dust suppression systems, dry fog dust suppression systems, wet fog dust suppression systems for control of air pollution. Use of good quality raw materials, adopting standard operating practices and standard maintenance practices, and regular maintenance of pollution control equipment have resulted in maintaining a clean atmosphere both inside and outside the plant. The ambient air qualities of the steel plant areas are monitored continuously and are well within the statutory norms. The steel plant has also taken adequate steps for treatment of its industrial effluent as well as domestic effluent. The steel plant has been making dedicated efforts to create carbon sinks in the region. Plantation of around 51 lakh trees and development of 40 beautiful gardens and parks, both inside the plant and in the steel township, are eloquent examples of the commitment of RSP towards Mother Nature. As a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant is presenting a series of news on the eminent personalities of Orissa, some well-known and some lesser known. Today's personality is Bama Charan Mitra. Born on 17 December 1915, Bama Charan Mitra was an eminent Odia writer and translator. He had authored many famous novels and stories, which includes his maiden novel Kriti Sajya, anthologies of stories like Swapna Siddha, Bata Mahapurusha, Mimira Sahitya, and anthology of essays Enuscha Tanusha, which brought him Odisha Sahitya Academy Award in 1973. Many of his works have been translated into English, Bengali and Telugu. This well-known Odia writer passed away on 21st February 1975. That's all in this edition of Rourkela News. Namaskar.